Yep, I messed up the rear differential, so now I fix it. So I'm see how I run that with these new tires on it now. These little spikes, rubber spikes. Put the thinner ones up front and the fat boys in the back. Check it out, see how I run real quick. For that old weird stuff with my damn signal going out. Right now my signal is at 80%. Like it won't ever get to 100. Hey, pooch. That's cool. Dogs like it too. Thanks, man. Now they sell them, but they sell them almost built, and you gotta like finish it. So it's like a almost ready to run. Yeah. I just